This is how she came in today. In my previous upload, I shared how we prepped her hair to this point. Feel free to watch it. I would like to say that this is not a tutorial. I was just trying something new and I decided to share it with you. I always start my braids by pre-parting. I did not want the braids to be too big nor too small, so I separated the back section in two lines. Then, after doing the middle part in front, I separated each side in 5 lines. This is only my second time filming while doing someone's hair, so please I beg, just manage me like that. The other video I filmed was about me doing my sister's hair, doing designer braids on my sister's hair, so feel free to check it. I'm probably going to leave the link up here or at the end of the video. Feel free to check it out. On this first line, I did 4 braids, then I just followed the bricklaying method. Again, it is not a tutorial. I got this inspiration from Vira in Tato and Vira. They are a married couple, they do family content. She recently had some braids with lots of color and I was just in awe. So when I just saw them, I was like, I need to try this, but I did not know how to choose the colors. Then it just hit me I could use Ankara as inspiration, like choose the colors of an Ankara clothing and make the braids look like that Ankara. So that's what I'm trying to do in this video. I am obsessed with tucking hair. I think hair should be tucked always. It should always be done even when the braiding hair is of the same color as the natural hair. It makes the braid neater and it lasts longer. This is the Ankara that inspired me, just a few colors. So I used this orange and this white, then red. It's true that of all these colors, it's only the orange color that looks like the one on the Ankara. I couldn't find the other colors, so I just said I am not giving up because I can't find the colors. I'm going to try to do something, and that's what I did. My computer gave up on me some months back, so I just have my phone now to film, and all the space I have is in my phone and in my SD card. So I lose a lot of footage. Sometimes my phone just goes off, just says not enough space, and sometimes I'm not even aware. Like I realize I have not been filming for a while. By the time I realized that, I'm almost done with the hair. That's what happened today, but I thank God the footages were enough for me to make this video. Look at how good these braids look. Look at these sweet colors. Now I'm going to put them in water. Nobody should talk about my hair. Nobody should try it. I am doing a 2 months predictive style challenge and I cannot give up now. I'm almost there, so nobody should mention my hair. Thank you. I am definitely going to try this again with different colors. I think at that point it's no longer just trying, but I'm definitely going to keep doing this with other colors. I love the results. And tell me, what do you think? Do you think I should keep uploading this type of content, like me braiding somebody else's hair, or do you think I should just keep it at me doing my hair? I don't even know why I'm asking you these questions. Nobody will answer. Nobody has my time enough to answer. So it's no problem. I'll just do it how I feel it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you find a reason to stick around, to subscribe and keep watching my videos. And if you're old here, if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. I hope to see you all again. After all the finishing touches, these are the results. I love how each braid has its own identity. It looks nothing like the Ankara, which I think is a good thing though, because it can now match so many other clothes. So you tell me now in the comment section, would you want to have this on your hair? Would you want to have this Ankara inspired braids in your hair? So let's call it a day. Like I always say, things are definitely going to get better for you soon. Before that, check out the video where I do my sister's hair up here. And yes, take care. Bye.